Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Edifier W200T Mini Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them to their factory default settings. Now you might want to do this basically for two reasons. Number one would be troubleshooting if there's only sound coming out of the left ear or the right earbud, or if they're not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting. Any kind of troubleshooting issues where the earbuds are not working right can often be fixed with a hard reset. The other reason is if you just want to get a fresh start and have it forget all of its paired devices so you can pair it to a new device, this is a good step to do it. So if you're ready to proceed with this, you can just go ahead. The first thing you need to do is make sure they're not connected to any devices. So turn the Bluetooth off and have them forget any devices that they have been paired with in the past. Then all you need to do is take the earbuds out of the case, and they should power on automatically. If not, you'll need to turn them on. And once they're on, you're just gonna come and press the multifunction button on the back and press and hold for 8 seconds. Now you need to do each earbud separately. On these particular earbuds, each earbud has to be done separately. So you'll do it on both. Press and hold for 8 seconds, release, and then go to the other earbud, press and hold for 8 seconds. That will fully reset the earbuds, at which point you can put them back in their case, then take them back out and repair them as a new set of earbuds.